I will not gonna fix the sales for you. You have to do it yourself. I will gonna share with you the reasons. Because there is a common reasons why you don't have sales. Or what's your sales, Max? Hello, Max. You are here, right? What is your sales? What is that you want to fix? Put the number there. How many sales do you get per day? One day, every day. How many sales did you get? We have to know what to fix. How can I fix if I don't know what to fix for you? Okay. I can tell you generally how to fix sales, but generally it's generally, all right? So yeah, cool, Max. What's your sales? 10 sales per day. But on the weekends, 10 sales a day. And on weekends, it's 2-3 sales. 1 sale per day. Okay. 10 sales per day. Okay, cool. How many items did you list if you have 10 sales per day? How many items did you list? Okay, timer. Let's go. Timer, go. 11 minutes, no more. Because you know why? 11 minutes because there is a strategy. Why? For the YouTube. The same is for the sales. The same is for the eBay. You get the results on the eBay just because you know something. You got the sales or results. Or you got the results just because you don't know something. It's the system, how it works. It's the same like I told you now. I put the timer here, 11 minutes. About 11 minutes, 11, 15 seconds, something like this, no longer, okay? Because I know the YouTube, how it works, all right? So you have to know, it's no magic there. I will not gonna give you a magic pill. I don't have anyone, okay? But I know how to fix sales. And this week, we fixed 4 sales. I fixed for 4 dropshippers sales out there, okay? 2 of them were from UK. They were, both of them, I don't know, real reason why they keep selling on UK. Well, you can sell on UK, no problem. But if you are on UK and if you are dropshipping on UK, I would recommend to switch to US because I have been selling on UK. I have been selling on Canada. And US, it's 10x, okay, 10 times more. Okay, what we got here? 140. You have 140 listed items. Max, T4. 213 items you listed, okay? Max, 213 items you listed and you got 10 sales per day. That's not bad result. That's not bad result, actually. You know what? When you go around the eBay, and you can see there are people, they have been listing 2,000 lists, active listings, right? And they have 10 sales per day. Even less, from 2,000, less than 10 per day. So that's a bad result, okay? Your result, out of 200, 10 sales per day, it's not bad. Well, obviously you don't have $7.99 course. I know, because if you would have, you don't have to buy it. I'm just telling you, for example, because we never do 200 sales, 200 active listings anymore, okay? This was the previous dropshipping, what worked all the time, right? In nowadays, now, end of the year, look, guys, listen, think a little bit. What time is now? Middle of November, right? This video is recording middle of November 17. If you are watching replay in 2 weeks, it will be December, okay? If you are watching this video in the new year, it's totally different game. Now, middle of November, how can you fix sales? What do you mean fix sales? Everybody is looking for something to buy. Everybody is selling something. Everybody go out on the street, go on the shopping malls. What happened on the shopping malls? Besides of all the decorations in the Christmas, what's happening out there? People are getting crazy to buy. So think a little bit. If your account is not under severe buy actions, something is really wrong. It would be the same like you go in a shopping mall and there is a shop and everybody's passing by and nobody is going into the shop. Would that be okay if you are in a shopping mall, you have your own store in a shopping mall there, and 2 sales per day you get? Would that be okay in this time of the year? If that would be okay, I don't think so. Out of 213 products, if you have 10 sales per day, well, it's maybe okay to pay your bills for the keeping shop running. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. What we do in a $7.99 for the any $7.99 students here? I don't think so. Okay, because you see when you again, don't rush to buy $7.99. It's maybe I don't want to sell you $7.99. I'm just saying how it is. You don't need 100 listings to have 50 sales per day. No, that's not the point. That's old style of dropshipping. You need only 50, 60 active listings to have 30 sales per day. That's what the dropshipping means now in 2019 and 2020. Okay, so now number one, why you don't have sales? It's the number one, competition. Okay, 3 points I told you I was gonna give you on how to fix them. Competition, number one. I was gonna put the video by the end of this one. You can go by the end of this stream here. You can go, you can watch. I don't have to tell you what to do, how to do. Watch the video because I have the video already. How to deal with competition. Why you have, what I mean competition. Everybody has competition, right? But how you position yourself. How do you position yourself, your listings, and where your competitors are? You see, there is a listings, and then on the side there is somebody selling all the same stuff, right? This one, you put this is your item, and on this side there is the same items, right? That's competition. Or under, below your listing, there is the same sellers who are selling the same. How do you deal with them? You see, this is the thing you have to know. It's competition. Because of the competition. Competition is good because competition works for you or competition works against you. Do you know the difference? Competition works for you or competition works against you. You don't know the difference. Or you know the difference. Look, if you don't know the difference, there will going to be video. I will going to explain it. I explained already in that video. I will put the video by the end of this one. How you can make your competition to work for you. Because what the competition does is competition drives the traffic to them, right? And you have to position yourself in such a way that your listing, your product is just beside of the competition who pays for the traffic to get the traffic to their stuff, right? But the traffic sees your listings as well, and you don't pay for them. That means the competition works for you. Competition works against you is when you get some traffic and you lose them because they went away. This is the number 3 step I will share with you today. Okay, so that's competition works against you or competition works for you. 2 different types of things, okay? You have to be smart. You have to be smart how you position yourself. That's the main keywords. About the main keywords. Watch the video. By the end of this video, we're going to put the video. You can watch it. I don't need to explain that. Okay, so number 2. Number 2 is it's a big problem. It's a problem like nobody is showing you, right? There is like a dark zone, something like a dark zone, like, you know, lights are out. You are invisible. You list. You have no views. You list, no watchers, no sales. You say, hey, I'm checking out on my computer what's going on there. I can't see my items. You are in a dark zone. Why? How to fix that? How to fix that? How to come out from the dark zone? Who have one? There was somebody said 1 per day. If you have 1 sale per day, you have there is not only 3 problems. I'm sharing with you just 3 main problems, okay? 3 main, over 4 minutes left. 3 main problems. The one is competition, wrong competition. You don't know how to leverage competition. Number 2 is you are in a dark zone. You put yourself in a dark zone. Nobody puts you there. You put yourself in a dark zone because you don't know really how to put the powerful stuff into your listing, to put yourself in a spot where the lights are, you know, all those like stage lights, like choo on you. That's what you need. Otherwise, your shop is there, but your shop is in the dark. Nobody is coming in to your shop. So that's the things how you have to fix this, and you can fix this. You need more traffic, right? How can you get more traffic? You need more sales. No profits. close your air and not profit. You need more sales, because when you start generating more sales, more light will gonna come up. eBay will gonna give you more light. eBay will gonna put you on a stage where more light will gonna be for your shop, for your items, more traffic. People suddenly will realize, oh, here is somebody who is selling this stuff for, you see. You need to position yourself on a light spot. How to do this? There is only one way how to do this for free. You don't have to do any paid, no promotions. By the way, if you do promotions, click it off, switch it off, because promotions will ruin you down. Okay, so the simplest way, the quickest way is get sales fast. How fast? Don't sell those ones. Those are too expensive items to get the light on you. The quickest way to get the light on you is sell something like this, or something like this. Okay, cheap stuff, very cheap stuff, where you can get sales like this, because there is not so much profit on this stuff, right? But there is a sale. This is the sold item, boosting item, booster item, booster item. This is the profitable item. Forget about profitable items. Get the booster items onto your account. When you get the booster items onto your account, you are gonna drive the light to you. When you got the light to you, you get more traffic, more sales. It's so simple like that. Okay, number 2, number 3. How much time we got? Ooh, baby, we got 1 minute left only. Okay, number 3 is, the problem is people opt into your account. You see, you got the title there. You got the title there. People say, oh, cool stuff. This is the cool stuff, right? They click on it. They opt into this, your item, and they opt out. You know what I mean? Opt in, opt out. Because something wrong is into your description. When they click, you maybe drive attention with your pictures. Click on your picture. Click because of your title. They click, open your shop there. And then they say, ooh, and they go out. You have to fix that problem as well. It's what you written, what contains in your scripture. That video I will gonna put by the end of this video as well. 2 videos will gonna be here. Now our time is over. Thanks for watching. 2 videos we're gonna be here. You can come back and watch those 2 videos. Those will gonna fix your problem.